In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your Shopify checkout without using real money. Shopify Bogus Gateway. First, sign in to your Shopify admin so you're on the home dashboard. From there, head down to Settings, then open the Payments section. This is where you control which payment methods your store can accept. Choose the option to select a provider, and in the list of third-party providers, look for the one labeled Bogus Gateway for testing. It's specifically designed for safe, no-charge test transactions. Open the About panel for Bogus Gateway and take a moment to read what it does. You'll see a clear note that it's meant for testing and that Shopify doesn't charge transaction fees on orders paid through this gateway. You'll also find guidance on how to simulate different outcomes during checkout, including how to trigger a gateway failure if you want to confirm your error handling. Keep in mind that any 3-digit security code works for testing, and any expiry date in the future will be accepted. Those details let you focus on the flow without worrying about real cards. When you're ready, activate the Bogus Gateway. After it's active, go to your checkout settings to confirm the basics. Things like contact information collection, shipping, and any custom fields you rely on. So your test mirrors a real customer experience. You don't need to change anything here for the gateway itself. You're just making sure the checkout is set up the way you expect. Next, return to your admin home and open your online store. Click View Your Store to open the live storefront in a new tab. It's a good idea to use a private or incognito window so you see the site like a first-time visitor. Pick any product from your storefront, open its page, and add it to the cart. Proceed to checkout. At checkout, fill in your customer details as a shopper would. When you reach the payment step, use the Bogus Gateway instructions you reviewed earlier. Enter a valid-looking future expiry date and any 3-digit security code. Follow the notes from the About panel to simulate either a successful payment or a failure, depending on what you want to test. This is perfect for verifying your confirmation page, order notifications, and how your store responds if a payment is declined. That's it. You've safely tested your checkout end-to-end without spending a cent. When you're done testing, remember to disable the Bogus Gateway and re-enable your real payment provider so customers